Hello Lions, this is your systems librarian, and today I'm going to show you how to access an electronic book online. First, you'll need to be on the library homepage. Go to mssu.edu/academics/library. The page will look like this, and then you'll want to scroll down. Underneath the daily library hours, you'll see our search box. There are 4 options. Full search searches everything the library has, including ebooks, but also journals, articles, databases, and so forth. For this reason, I don't necessarily recommend it for finding just books, as you'll get a lot of search results using full search. I would more recommend it for articles and newspaper research, things like that. Journal search will search for journals. So you can search by title or by subject, and then you can look at a specific journal and the articles within it. It will not search for articles, so please be aware of that. Research and course guides will search the guides that the librarians have helped to make to organize topics and different research subjects into specific areas that make it easy for you to search. Finally, we're going to focus on books and media search. Books and media focuses on ebooks, physical books, DVDs, and other physical items that you can check out from the library. You can choose by format if you want a physical book, an electronic book, or a DVD. We're going to do an ebook today, and I'm going to do To Kill a Mockingbird. You can see I have 30 results right here, and these are all ebooks because I specified that at the beginning. If I click on it, underneath Connect To, there will be a link on where you can go to get the book, depending upon the provider. So this is an Overdrive book, so if I click that link, it'll take me to Overdrive. If I click Sign In, I'll select my library, which is Missouri Southern, and then it'll take me to the proxy page where I can log in with the first part of my email and my password. Once you're logged in, you can check out the book, or you can put a hold on it if it is not yet available. Overdrive is great because there are several different kinds of ebooks in this collection, as well as electronic audiobooks. So you can see there's over 12,000 ebooks and over 5,000 audiobooks. There's also an app called Libby, L-I-B-B-Y, that you can download that will allow you to download books to your mobile device. So let's go back to our list. So now I'm going to click on the second one, available online. And I can read it online, I can download it, I can share the link, I can cite it, I can see my table of contents. If I were off campus, when I click the link under Connect To, that's where it would ask me to log into the proxy for access, which is again the first part of your email and your password. Now what if we redid our search, but this time I forgot to select ebook? You can tell the format of an item by not only the icon, but if it has a location and a call number. Ebooks do not have call numbers, and generally they will have a location that reflects it as an electronic resource. So make sure you pay attention when you're accessing materials, so that way you know the correct format that you're looking for. Also make sure you're limited to Missouri Southern State University. These are other colleges in our cluster, and while you can borrow from them through Mobius, we cannot exchange electronic resources with them, so please be aware of that. If you're having any trouble, you can always reach out to the library and we'll be more than happy to help you. On the right side, you'll see our contact information. You can send us an email, give us a call, send a text, or even if you're having issues and you'd like a more in-depth conversation, schedule an appointment for a one-on-one research session. Have a great day, Lions!